Okay, so let's go basic. Let's try anyway. Let's start with a march. Let's go 8 marches, 2 basic steps. So there we go. I'm going to add a little tap dance. 1, 2, 1, 2. And then 2 basics. Ooh, try that. March at 8, 8, 7, 2 basics. And then take a run. So it's like a 1, 2, 1, 2. So rhythm change. Now you could do 2 more or go back to your basics. Single knee. Single, 2 kicks. Kick again. Good morning. 3 repeaters. And then we're going to do a grapevine left. So we're going onto the floor then. And then just repeat it on this side. Knee. 8 marches. And then 2 basics. And then we have that tap dance. How does that sound, Elizabeth, this morning, all right? You could do 2 more or go back to your basics. And then a single knee. Knee again. Now kicks. Kick again. 3 repeater to be our leg change. And then a grapevine right left. Yeah? You could do that. You could make it in a warm-up, couldn't you? Lift the knee. Let's go again. 8, 7. 2 basics. And then let's add a tap dance. 1, 2, 1, 2. 2 more or 2 basics. Last one. Single knee. Morning, everyone. Now kick it. Kick again. 3 repeaters. 3. And then grapevine to the left. Oh, there you go. Lift the knee up and you're ready to march. 3, 4. 2 basics. Tap dance. 1, 2, 1, 2. Either 2 more or you can do a basic there. Knee lift. Now kick it. So if you want a few more extra combos, check out yesterday's because I did quite a few more choreographed. This will be easy. So you've nailed that one, that's fine. Now let's do a step up and a straddle. Come back and add 2 basics. A single knee side to side, again another simple one, and 3 repeaters in the middle. So we step up and straddle. I love this track. 2 power basics in the center. Yay! Knees. And an easy repeater. You could put some design on that repeater. Yeah, so up, straddle, bring it back. 2 powers. And a single knee. 3 repeaters. So another simple one. And again, up and straddle. There. 2 powers. Fabulous. Now single knee, side to side. Trying to get everybody to post their retro pictures today. That's the goal. Now, next routine, I'm going to go up, lunge, 3rd combo, just a simple one. Up, 2 lunges. Now you could take those lunges, you could take them to the side and then stay on the center. You could do a V step forward and a V step back and keep it so simple. And 3 repeaters. So again, you could do up lunge, you could turn it, bring it back, and then your lunge, 2 knees, repeater, 3, another basic one, but again you could keep it straightforward, you could stay here, you don't have to turn it on the corner. Yes, single knee, 1, waiting for you. Let's go this side. So in the comments let me know, do you still teach step, basic, choreographed? Where are you at with it? 3 repeaters. And if you could use those very simple combinations, let me know. Hope you can. 3 super simple ones there. Ah, nice and easy. Just 5 minutes. Let me know. If you want all of the choreography of last week's and this week's 5-minute tutorials, just comment choreo. Let me put that there. Choreo. And if you want to come to Derby on Saturday for step, comment step. And the bot, so good. The bot will send you a link to my rachelholmes.com website and then you can book any of the events. Got loads of events as well coming up. Infrared, Reformer, wellness event, a New Year's Eve event, loads of stuff. So make sure you head over to rachelholmes.com. In fact, if you comment VIP, you'll get a link, and then you can get all the info on the local events. These are all basically Nottinghamshire, Derbyshire, Leicestershire based. All right, that's it. Supporters briefing. I'll see you later. Have a good day, everyone. Enjoy.